So it's time that we come together as community. Local self-reliance is the answer to all of this. Local community, local support, create food structures, energy structures, support structures for the elderly and for the kids and for everybody in our community. When we create these support structures, which by the way are logical on every freaking level, right? I mean, we talk about this often when I'm taking people around our food forest here, 15 months in the ground and produces a massive amount of food. Everything here, all these trees, over time will produce exponential abundance. And where is it going to go? It's already going into our community at scale. We've got community members all over the place putting in more food for us because we're aware that the food supply chain, the current system is unsustainable and it's failing now, right? So it's time now to get your annuals in the ground for quick production and your perennials in the ground for long-term freedom, right? Perennials equal long-term Garden of Eden freedom. You just walk around, there's food everywhere, and you don't have to maintain it. That's so nuts. Annuals, tiny bit of maintenance relative to the value, if you know what you're doing. So that's why permaculture design is so incredibly important. So come together as community and lift up those who are helping to support. Talk about it. Share it with your friends and family. It's really the fundamental step into creating a free world, how it always used to be, by the way. I lived with the Maasai in Africa, and they are completely self-reliant. There's no grid there. They're 100% built on community. They have incredible parties. I mean, holy shit, I was at one. It was freaking profound. I was even doing the jumpy thing with the Maasai, man. It was so cool. Oh, man. And just beautiful people, just heartfelt, sincere, present people. Come together, study community, and quit bitching about your neighbor, man. Right? Start seeing everybody as a reflection of yourself. If you're angry at somebody, recognize the anger in you. Just let it go. And what's going to happen when you let it go? Magic, miracles, divine intervention, and most importantly, peace in your heart.